Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make opening balance 0 in Tally Prime. Accurate opening balances are crucial for reliable financial reporting. An incorrect starting point can cause your financial statements to be misleading, impacting decision-making. We will walk through the process of identifying and correcting these balances to ensure your books are perfectly aligned. First, let's find where the discrepancies lie. From the gateway of Tally, navigate to Display More Reports, then Analysis and Verification, and finally Verification of Balances. You can also quickly access this by pressing Alt+G and typing Verification of Balances. This report will highlight any differences. Additionally, check your balance sheet or trial balance for a difference in opening balances entry, which should ideally be 0. Now let's correct those balances. For individual ledgers, go to Alter from the gateway of Tally, select Ledgers, and choose the specific ledger to adjust its opening balance. To efficiently manage multiple ledgers, navigate to Chart of Accounts, then Ledger, and press Alt+H for Multi-Masters, selecting Multi-Alter. Here, you can change several balances at once. A powerful shortcut, Alt+B, allows you to set all opening balances to 0 instantly. After making adjustments, it is vital to verify your work. Return to the trial balance or balance sheet to confirm that the difference in opening balances is now 0. This ensures your financial data is accurate. Remember to always cross-reference your Tally figures with external documents, like bank statements or previous year's audited reports. Keeping a clear record of all changes made will also be invaluable for auditing and future reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.